Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, and today I will show you how you can connect Huawei AM61 Wireless Earbuds. So at the first you have to find the power key on your earbuds and then click and hold this button. Keep holding. Now just release when indicator blinks on the blue and the red color. Put back your earphones. Go for the Bluetooth settings on your Xiaomi. Tap on the and switcher to enable Bluetooth. When they pops on the list like that, just simply tap on them. Click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. So it was very simple, right? If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.